was appointed a commissioner of the Victorian Multicultural Commission by the Labor state government. Can you please put your hand together for Mr. Cheng?
I've been a member of the Victorian Multicultural Commission, and I'm delighted to be here, and I'm very happy to be here at this cultural festival, Australian Cultural Festival. But before I go any further, I'd like to acknowledge the people of the First Nation whose land we meet today, to pay my respect to their elders as a present. I also like to pay my respect to all the elders of the other communities that make up Australia, Victoria's rich, diverse society. And keeping in mind, elder does not mean older. So to all the elders of us here, good evening, and all the other, and every other important guest here as well. The Victorian Multicultural Commission can be described in many ways. And officially, we are a conduit of statutory authority set up by statute by the Victorian government to act as a bridge between the multicultural communities and the government, so that we can communicate, help to communicate the needs and the desires of the multicultural communities, like it known to the government, and also to communicate back the government's policies on multicultural affairs back to the community. But in one way, one special way, is that the Commission is actually demonstrates a commitment on the part of the Victorian government to all solutions, because this commission was set up more than 20 years ago and carried on by every government since then. And a commitment of Victoria's government, our government, to multiculturalism throughout our communities, which means that everyone, every Victorian is equal, and we value everyone's contribution. And in fact, we also expect everyone to be part of their culture as well, so that they can make a contribution. And I'm delighted, particularly with this to not only to showcase their own culture, but also getting other communities to be involved, to demonstrate their culture as well. And this is a remarkable achievement on your part, remarkable commitment on your part to Victoria's diverse and inclusive communities. So thank you very much for inviting me. Congratulations. I hope you continue this work after we so we can all become richer for having